Njolero iliwenyo lirobo manyi ubumurago konye asubagima obumakiaya. Ine kwabiri gukorya a road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya a track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gesiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere a track yibwate libagaliya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichunjugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo a track yana boko nyetumika asobo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo na bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwe terase namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Mugasombi omwancho omurigero Getembe TV tukeriga ria 20 asomutinyo kana karibu sana na ngorenke buna kwa agenderere gutwara ewiki erengia na wigoli tukuriao mbia ligendete ukwere nchekoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa karibu sana tunyara usanga sensemo Ekeonga na ven ya boke okoletera iga asinchira yevi manyerero na nkorongo chake Ekeonga ni ikongo chaka netaro yumrai wensi asenseri ya Italy asibono chinga kichiga osiobotuko bokira lero anyara gusanga na Bakenya bamenyete Chinsa mecho ni chinga kicho na anyara kukwanara egati ya mangana ande amange anemono ayagenderete ime yensi ya Kenya naboigo kuba manyauna egati yebyombe gosechi kampuni chiri chari koira gosechi koira Abakenya Chinsa chesko bobisi bono nigo chigendete gukorwa chinguru aiga sense ya Kenya chinga kicho nigakwanire miroberio yokoneke buna Abakenya banyorire emirimo Chinsa chesko naboigo wetira asichinchera chiekerero.
We had so many crooked what are those companies called, those people? Private recruitment agencies. Crooked people, you know, there. We registered close to 1,000 of them that were crooked. We have a bunch now that is left, and we are keeping close tabs on them. We have also simplified the process. We have reduced the time required to get a visa, to get a passport. We've scaled down on many other aspects, and that is why the numbers that were listed there. In the last 3 years, we have facilitated the employment of close to 543,000 Kenyans, and those numbers are growing. We have signed bilateral labor agreements to make sure that those Kenyans who work in those countries are protected, and we have a mechanism to make sure that we can get to them. We can repatriate them if we must, if there is a challenge. And you've seen the kind of work that has been done by the Diaspora Ministry. Whenever there are Kenyans in distress in any part of the world, we try to facilitate their way back home. And so that space around diaspora has not just increased numbers. With numbers, we've also increased remittances coming to Kenya. Number 3, we have also expanded the space on digital jobs. We've created a better ecosystem to create opportunities for people to work. We're expanding the fiber
Kurwase bunge nene meyense ya Kenya ni gobono mawaziri wa Burundi boime Moske Kipchumba Murkomen anyari koroka ase bosibwe kamati ekuligereria mwana yo Burundi meyense ya ye bunge na chinga kicho ni ganyari gukwanira obukibago goso bobegu obugenderete ko ene kiwase Chinsa so muno wekenya morero gunism ne chinga kicho ni gatebiri gati ya bagavana aiga asinsi ya Kenya ni gobobote ebyombe bya basaye abo bagwakana kera chingaki ase misangirakano bagenda gusalia omurembe gusikoleta oguturubana.
In a number of counties they have departments and a chief officer in charge of goods, and they are the ones who will now, before the governor goes to the rallies, is the one who mobilizes people, including those governors who pride themselves in public as human rights defenders. We know them. You know, they and rallies talking to lecturing us, but out of reality, they can't go anywhere without paying goons, and they have a chief officer who finances the goons, and then they go together to the meeting and cause chaos in public functions. This thing was very prevalent in parts of Western Kenya, and when I say Western Kenya, is you start from somewhere in Nakuru as you go third way, but more prevalent in counties of Kisii, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Siaya. Siaya is even terrible. Kakamega, you go to Busia, you go to Kitale, you come to now Nakuru has become a part of the place, Nairobi of course, and then Machakos. You know, it's not even a Machakos where the complaint was that you cannot even ask a question now, a politician. You can't even ask a county government a question. And you are a young person, goons will clobber you. And then now, slowly, it is going to other parts of the country, moving to other parts of the country. Mombasa used to be bad, but nowadays it's a bit better. But, Mr. Speaker, this is, we must face ourselves as leaders, face to face. Let's not lie to each other, addressing cameras, and then behind the scenes you are organizing criminals. So anyway, further updates from the ongoing operations indicate that over 200 individuals have since been arrested and processed in connection with organized violence and intimidation activities in the same region, underscoring the scale of coordination and such politically linked gang mobilization. Mr. Chairperson, this incident demonstrates a troubling pattern where criminal gangs are being purposed as tools of political disruption. This is not only undermines democratic process, but also entrenches culture of impunity, weakens governance structures, and erodes public confidence in rule of law.
Murai wekia magia ODM uyo nende uri museneta we county ya Siaya Moske Odinga ni gubono anyarire gusingira buna ikiama gia ODM tikeli guchugwatana nekana na boigo tikeli guchukugwa kaukwana lituko rigoro kira gusanga na basai meyo mucho Nairobi nigo museneta Oburu anyarite kwene kiabuna nigo ikiama ikyo kigenderete gutinga kigima na boigo kichigutwara barwaniriria bebirogo kurwa obo MCA goika ebirogo biria ebirane meyense ya Kenya nechinga kicho ndigatebire kiamekyo tikiragurwa gosere buno murai wikiamekyo taragurwa nonde wensi na ekiamangegendete kuba imara.
Mimi ningependa kuwahakikishia nyinyi kama youth wetu mmeomba free and fair elections. Under my leadership I will ensure that there is free and fair nominations in our party. The nominations will be free and what? And fair. And the youth will have their fair. First of all, as ODM, we are going to make sure that we retain the seats which we have now. And we are going to make sure that we add even double what we have. Our opponents can say whatever they are saying, but sisi tunafanya nini? Tunaendelea. Hata wakitutukana, hata wakisema sisi ni nini, hata wakisema sisi ni nini. Lakini kuna mmoja wao ambaye amesema Atoburu amenunuliwa. Mimi nitapeleka yeye kotini aseme huko Buru amenunuliwa na pesa ngapi. Mimi siwezi kununuliwa na hii chama chetu ya ODM haiwezi kumezwa. Hii chama chetu ya ODM haiwezi kufanywa nini? Haiwezi kumezwa. Our party will grow from strength to strength. It can never be swallowed by anybody. It is too big to be swallowed. If you try to swallow it, your stomach will burst.
Na nigo omuraibu kiama gya DCP Muske Rigathi Gachagua anyarire kubura buna abasai imeinsi ya Kenya nigo bwate chinguru ase amatuko abwangoiga na nigo atebire nigo ekigori gya Gen Z kiabirige kwimukie igati y'ebitambukiro na bwego kusanga ebirengerero birareto bya ase abakenya ase boigairire chinga kecho na gusaba mabera kubwatekana andakire buna nigo baba gose serikali eyere abisi nigo yabetege komochia abasae chinga kibesogetie okora kurubikana na bwego kwamereria serikali asuburai obe.
I want to take this opportunity to appeal to our young people, the Gen Zs. The people of Kenya are looking upon you to liberate this country because you are fearless and you are tribeless and you cannot be manipulated and bribed with the money by William Ruto. I want to ask the Gen Zs, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, Kenya, our motherland, looks upon you to save this country. You are the only vote that we know that cannot be compromised. I want to commend you for what you have done so far, creating awareness among the people of Kenya through the smartphone. But I want to appeal to you, my children, that the real transformation of this country will take place on the ballot box. And the tools of change that you need is the ID and the vote. I want to ask all the Gen Zs in the remaining 9 days to come out in millions and register as voters so that next year you can lead all of us because we trust you. We believe in you. You cannot be compromised. You are steadfast. You lead us into getting the real transformation of the Republic of Kenya by making William Ruto one term and getting new leadership in this country. I want to tell the Gen Zs to bear with us and forgive us for having hijacked your slogan to Kokedi. We have no ill will. We are just envious. We like it. We are supporting what you have started. We are saying you have done the right thing. You are leading and we are following. Let the young people continue leading us.
Wancho murigireria hasengane yo no to kore Ekeonga Chinsa isano na ibere kolinde gendera kubwatie mirobele ya Getembe TV kubwa muno murobele goso ya sembio o vibes on vibes nchenkoroka Matildah Obaigwa nere veni nyaboke watambe kwa sense mwili yevi manyirerio na Obaigwa nere Elvis Manyara wakubwaterana na Eugene kwa studio ya kaviretwara upoligirerio bia.